Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for educational learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. Let's go to the prediction for today. The data is showing there is no warning signal at all, but we have one bullish with two bearish with volatile. So, which indicates that whenever we get volatile, must have to go with the hedging method. But we still have so many positive side target and new positive side target also opened 17,215, and yesterday that particular small target which is on the positive side closed, but still one more new positive side target has opened. This particular target has closed 17,141. After that, one more new target has opened. But still, how we need to trade with this new target, because 17,250 new target has opened, but there is no negative side new target open, but we still have monthly pending target which is 15,901, which is too far away from the current level. So that how we need to trade on this volatile day. um, just we need to watch out the basic rules, because today we had positive side average in the range of 180 points in the positive side, which is 17,331, but the negative average is huge, which is 3.23%, 554, 16,597, which is huge number. Both together, it is showing more than 700 points. So we need to play much more cautiously, because 730 plus points put together we are having. So from the current level around 17,151, whether it is going to go towards to 554 or whether it is going to go towards to 180, which is a big question. So we need to play with the hedging method, that this will help you to protect your money. Even if it is goes loss, it will be in a constructive loss. So the best method to trade is hedging method, but you can go with the hero zero according to your guts feeling and other parameters. For example, as a basic rule, anything above the volatile one, if it is pre-opening above this level 17 184, then you can buy one call option as a hero zero, and anything below the volatile 2, if pre-opening is below 17,007, you can go one put option as a hero zero. So this is the basic rule for the pre-opening. If anything above this particular, you can go one call option as a hero zero. Anything below 17,007, you can go one put option as a hero zero. But as a another basic rule which we follow, support level 1 and resistance level 1, these are all the key rules. So if this particular 17,181 high is not breaking, plus 10 points and minus 3 point perfect range. So if 17,118 plus 10 points means it gives you 17,191.06, and minus 3.8 gives you 17,178.06. So if high is aligning in between those numbers, keeping high in between those numbers means it shows the Nifty has potential to fall down heavily. These are all the other basic rules. So we need to follow this particular rule as well today. So if pre-opening is in the negative and not able to break this particular 17,191, and in between aligning high means it is indicating that market will fall down heavily. It might go to any level as well. So negative average is the average level it shows, but it will go to any level to any extent. So that is what this particular indication is showing. So we need to watch out closely this particular number, very important level. We have so many positive set targets in hand, but still this will react as a key level today. And the other support level 1, this particular level, 16,892.91, 258 points in the downside. So this will react as a support level, strong support level. So from this level, minus 10 points plus 3 point perfect range, so that it gives you 16,895.91 and 16,882.91. So this particular range will react as a support level. So if low is not able to break this particular level, low is aligning in between those levels. Because of this is a perfect range, is a stop loss range from support level 1. So if low is not able to break uh, this particular level, 16,882.91, then Nifty has potential to recover from that particular level towards to any level. So the range is very much high. For example, if we take this particular stop loss range, 17,191 and 16,882. So from this range, it still has good numbers around 300 points. So we need to watch out closely, because the market still has potential to go towards to any level, it is not going to be easy to trade. That is the reason we are asking to go for a hedging method today. But hero zero is fine. For example, if you're a bearish traders, you can bet 10, 20 points hero zero, or up to your risk appetite, 50, 100, whatever the trend you are going for a single side, you need to trade it as a hero zero. So it will give you good results or connect, but you need to keep it as a hero zero. Why? Because it still has potential to fail as well. So if you are bullish traders, you are keeping a 180 points, and if you will go up like that, you are keeping means if this goes down, it will go to zero. So you need to keep it as a hero zero. If you are going for a single side, the best method is to go for a hedging method. And the other volatile data right now, the adjust Nifty is showing 70 points, which is, if pre-opening is in the 70 points minus, it's still in the volatile zone, because the volatile level we have positive target 1 to negative target 2, which is 32 point plus 2 minus 144. So if minus 70 point pre-opening is happening, means Nifty is still in the volatile zone. It is still creating, showing the edging method to play. But the as per the volatile zone stop loss, uh, plus 10 points from this particular level and minus 3 points. So this is the another range which is for the volatile stop loss. So 17,195.35. But you can see there is no much difference. Only 1 point is showing from the volatile level. So and at the same time, even resistant level 1, there is no much difference. Only 4 point difference. So this high is not breaking. Still Nifty has potential to fall down as per the volatile as well. So 17,182.35. So if high is aligning in between those two numbers, and Nifty still has potential to fall down as per volatile as well. So uh, you need to watch out these key levels. If it is breaking, then it might slowly move towards any level, but any level it will keep high matching as well. So it is not going to be easy. That is what I'm trying to point out. So must have to go with the edging methods. But if it is not breaking, then it will give you an indication that go 1 0 0 on the put option side. So for example, if high is aligning in between those two numbers, not able to break the 17,195. So how we need to trade one extra put option you can take as a hero is a 20 points put option. You can take risk, so that rupees 1,000 rupees you can take as a hero zero. So if it is not breaking, means it is clearly showing that Nifty will fall down heavily. So if it is fall down 500 points from this particular level, then it is fall down heavily, means this 20 will go unlimited profit. It will go even 200 to 300, 400, something like that. So that kind of a hero zero we can take. That is what I'm trying to point out. At the same time, the volatile two stop loss for the bullish. So this particular level minus 10 point plus 3 point perfect range. If it is not breaking, then Nifty has potential to recover from the low. So 17,007, it gives you minus 10 point, means it is 16,997.82, and the perfect range is 17,010.82. So the low is aligning in between those two numbers as per the volatile stop loss for the bullish. So if low is not able to break this particular number, you can buy one call option as a hero zero. Nifty has potential to recover from the low to any level. So if you are buying one hero zero in the call option side, 10-20 means if it is recovering strongly towards to positive average, means this 10 to 20 will give you enough profit. So this is the method we are following. So it will helps to trade in our basic rules. And the other data which shows, see, there is one more thing. If it is falling heavily, it still has potential to fall down towards to 1200 points, like that it is showing. But we need to know how things are going as per the volatile rule. The bar value, it is there around 16,929. So if pre-opening is above this level, means Nifty will try to go towards to the positive side, which is 17,693. So we need to watch out, because pre-opening is showing minus 70 points. At this point of time, we may not know whether it is going to open 70 or flat, or even further downside 150 or 200. We may not know at this point of time. We need to wait for the pre-opening, how the pre-opening is going to be. According to that only, if pre-opening above this level, means Nifty will try to go towards to positive side, high 500 points as well. But as per the volatile rule, positive target 2 to negative target 2 we used to trade, because we have one volatile indicator, so that Nifty is still has potential to trade positive target 2 to negative target 2. This is the basic rule as per the volatile. So 166 point positive side to negative 588. So wide range is there. So that is the reason we are asking to go for a hedging method, because 166 it will go, or 588, nobody knows. So the best method to play is hedging method. You can do hedging 30-30 or 40-40. What kind of a hedging method is preferable to go? According to that, you can even 100 also can go as a hedging method. So it will help you. The only thing is, the point, if it is goes extreme bearish or extreme bullish, you will get survive. But the thing is, if Nifty is closing in a flat, then the premium might eat on the both sides. So that is the worrying part. But hedging method is the best method today. And the other data which shows that anything above 16,990, Nifty will always try to recover. So but the numbers are still decent numbers. It still has potential to go flat, 52, 105, 158 and 210. So anything above 16,990, Nifty will try to recover, but anything below 16,830, then only the bearish will take control. That is all this particular data is showing. So watch out that number as well. So play according to this as a hero zero one lot. So the conclusion is, we have so many positive side target, but the data is showing that even though we have positive side target weekly, but still Nifty is having potential to fall down, and the gap between the monthly target is huge as well. So we need not to take risk. So play with the hedging method. And yesterday's data, as per yesterday's data, high and low. Before that, I would like to point out one If you join in our group means you will come to know the um, data about tomorrow well in advance, because 217 itself I have specifically mentioned about the tomorrow's data. It will give you this kind of thing, because one bullish with two bearish with volatile indicators it is showing for the next day, and I have specifically warned about uh, Nifty still has potential to go down heavily around 3.23%, and support level we are having 1.51%. So easily Nifty may fall down towards to support level 1. So play safe, and the key level is uh, um, 17,157. So if Nifty is closing below that level means Nifty has potential to go bearish. If Nifty is closing below that level means and Nifty is in the bearish as per CPR. These are all the advantages you will get if you join in our group. Mm, So you can take that advantage if you join in our group. And uh, this particular yesterday's closing numbers, if you check the high 17,207, which is broken this particular stop loss plus 10 points, so that is how the next 17,250 new positive target has opened, because 10 points added means 17,201, so which is broken that level, so we got new positive side target, but the low is matching perfectly as well in the previous data, which is 17,107. It is not broken the support level as well. Support level, the basic rule which we are following. So S1 level it is not broken on the lower side, so the low is matching but high not matched and opened a new target. So that is how our data is always work pretty well. And one more interesting point is the pivot level, anything below the pivot level and if you will always try to go down. So that is how the pivot level range Nifty will trade at below that level, but somehow it is not able to go towards to the negative side because of the it has sustained, but this low is matched perfectly. So Nifty has recovered and closed in the range of 150 range. But one interesting point, if you check from the pivot level, if you take the average of support level 1, this is the support level 1 and this is the pivot level. If you take the entire average, it gives 17,153, which is close to the number of 17,152. So that is surprising to see. Let's go to the summary for the day. Nifty, as per our indicators, one bullish, two bearish, and one volatile. Volatile comes means we must have to go with the edging method. There is no warning signal at all. We have so many pending targets on the positive side, direction 6. So hero zero traders can keep small 5 points call option if bullish goes towards to these four levels. You will get huge profit. So one small call option can keep as a hero zero 5 points. So 250 rupees is the maximum risk. But still today we must have to go with the edging method because of the positive average and the negative average, both having big numbers, 180 points positive, 554 points on the negative, both together around 730 plus. We are having anything above 17,144, which is in the bullish zone, anything below 17,007 is in the bearish zone. So anything in between those two levels, it is in the volatile zone. You must have to go with the edging method. As per the par value, yeah, we need to trade with the one call option. If pre-opening is above this level means you can keep one small call option as 0 0. Anything below this particular level Nifty will try to go down heavily, so one put option you can take 0 0, but I don't think Nifty will gap down below this particular 16,929. You need to watch out. But two pending target for the negative, eight pending target for the positive. Today you must have to go with the gym method, there is no doubt. but hero zero you can bet according to your risk and as per the volatile rule, positive target 2 to negative target 2. So positive target which is 166 and negative target 2 which is 588. So both numbers are big. That is the reason we specifically asking to go for hedging method today. And the conclusion is we must have to go with the hedging method because of one volatile rule. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Thursday. Thank you.